Hello everyone, welcome back to CALWAIN Health TV. We are thrilled to have you join us today. Today we're making a spinach avocado smoothie that's not only delicious but also rich in healthy fats, promotes heart health and supports weight loss. This smoothie is perfect for a quick breakfast or a refreshing snack. Before we dive in, make sure to like, share and subscribe to CALWAIN Health TV for more health tips and recipes. Your support helps us bring you more amazing content. Don't forget to check the description box below for more information and product recommendations. We've included links to all the ingredients and tools we'll be using today so you can easily follow along at home. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need. 1 cup of fresh spinach, half a ripe avocado, 1 ripe banana, 1 cup of almond milk and 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. First, let's prepare our ingredients. Spinach is packed with vitamins and minerals, and it's a great source of fiber. Avocado adds creamy texture and healthy fats that are good for your heart. Bananas provide natural sweetness and potassium. Almond milk is a dairy-free base that's low in calories, and chia seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and fiber. Add the fresh spinach, avocado, banana slices, almond milk, and chia seeds to your blender. Let's blend it up until smooth and creamy. Look at that vibrant green color. It's so inviting and fresh, you can almost taste the goodness just by looking at it. Once everything is blended to a smooth consistency, give it a taste. This is the moment where you can really appreciate the blend of flavors and textures. You can adjust the thickness by adding more almond milk if you like. This allows you to customize the smoothie to your preferred consistency, whether you like it thick and creamy or a bit more liquid. Pour the smoothie into a glass. Watch as it flows smoothly, filling the glass with its vibrant green hue. This spinach avocado smoothie is not only nutritious, but also incredibly satisfying. It's packed with vitamins and minerals that your body will love. That's creamy and delicious. The combination of spinach and avocado creates a rich, velvety texture that's hard to resist. This smoothie is packed with healthy fats that support heart health, and it's low in calories, making it great for weight loss. Plus, the spinach provides a good dose of iron and fiber, helping to keep you full and energized throughout the day. Incorporating smoothies like this into your diet is an easy way to boost your nutrition and support your health goals. Not only are they delicious, but they are also packed with essential vitamins and minerals that your body needs to function at its best. Try this spinach avocado smoothie and let me know how you like it in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create more content that you love and find useful. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to CALWAIN Health TV for more healthful recipes and tips. By subscribing, you won't miss out on any of our latest videos, and sharing helps us reach more people who can benefit from our content. Thank you for watching. Make sure to visit the description box for more details and product recommendations. We often include links to the best products that we personally use and recommend, so you can easily find everything you need to make these recipes at home. Stay healthy and see you next time. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more exciting and nutritious recipes.